They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All in hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy.
Hello, my independent beauties. Looking for the perfect cat eye look using lash clusters? You're in the right place. Let's get started.
I'm in love with the quality of these lashes. Look at them. If you are looking for a full lash cluster application tutorial, I will link that right here. Today I'm going to teach you how to achieve this perfect cat eye style. I start off with 18 millimeters on my outer corners. This is going to help us achieve that bold, lifted finish at the edge of our lash. Then as we go on, we are going to move down 2 millimeters. So the next I use a 16 millimeter. This helps build volume while maintaining a seamless transition between the lengths. Remember to place them as close to the lash line as possible. Precision is key. I will include a lash map in this video to simplify where to put what length of lash. As we make our way into the inner corner, we're going for a soft, natural look with the shortest lash clusters. In the description below, I'll also have my lash essentials linked, as well as the lashes that you can use to achieve this look. And that's it, a flawless cat eye lash look with clusters, mapped to perfection. If you love this look or want to try more styles, don't forget to like and comment below. I'm going to speed right on past this second eye because again, the full length tutorial you can find on my page.
You a hot girl and your girl at two down a Jamaica want to take you on a rendezvous.
Never, ever, ever, ever forget to seal your lashes. This is the key to longevity, and you don't want all of your hard work to go to waste. Be very intentional about gripping the inner and the outer corner. Those are always the first lash clusters to start lifting. It's giving siren, it's giving dramatic, it's giving seductive. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if I should do manga or natural lashes next. Bye.